Sunlight trickles through the yonder pine, whispers of a past that ain't mine. Steps fall heavy on this old dirt road, carrying a heart with a heavy load. Halls filled with tales untold, rusty gates where love grows cold. Fields of gold and skies of gray, memories linger, but I cannot stay. No more dreaming, no more tears, no more shadows of my fears. Gone the days of waiting by the door, I've said goodbye.